gets a little warm, just a little warm.
Well, you got to slide pretty fast. Let's get you to the Storm Track Weather Center, where Mark Prater's tracking, not the slides, but some rain.
Yeah, I'm sitting here putting tracks on these guys right now, and there's quite a few of them out there, and we have boundaries and storms are going different directions. Right. It's just one of those summertime afternoon setups where we've got a number of thunderstorms to track. First off, let's show you the one over northwest and west Jefferson County. This is out towards the Graysville area and actually just to the west of Gardendale. But a pretty decent rain shaft still associated with this. You'll see that rain is, that's where the edge of it is right there. Once you get back here, it's a good downpour, some lightning associated with this storm periodically. But here is I-65 and Malfunction Junction, so it's still to the west-northwest of downtown Birmingham, where it's 91 degrees. Heat index right now, 97, dew point 70. Atmosphere has plenty of water in it now, so the chance for a shower or thunder shower will continue into tonight. Storm track hour-by-hour forecast shows numbers gradually headed into the upper 80s and then eventually mid-70s by early tomorrow. Here's the storm track radar for the past 3 hours, though. You'll see things popping up at random all over the place. And the newer storms are actually for Shelby County, where we had a significant storm advisory earlier. That has now since expired. But you see those green lines that are actually trucking it towards the north? Well, that's where the storms start to develop. And that's where there's rolling air from old thunderstorms. Those are called boundaries. And that helps lift the air and push it up. So watch as these start to combine and come together near Alabaster, one from the south and one from the east. And, well, they all just start to merge and thunderstorms start to build up. So Alabaster, you have one bearing down on you right now. Here's the track of the one near Graysville. It is headed towards Gardendale in about 15 minutes, Morris in 19 minutes. And this is if that holds together. These are more significant storm cells and are really likely to last a little longer. This one in particular is bearing down on Alabaster as well as Hoover, Pelham, eventually Lake Purdy, and Indian Springs Village. You'll get this in about 16 minutes. Then west of Childersburg, another thunderstorm. This one's moving due east, so in places like Childersburg, back over towards Winterboro in 21 minutes. You get the idea. These are going to be on again, off again, even into tonight. So don't rule out a thunder shower and make sure the car windows are up before you go to bed tonight. One of those nights where it won't be dry. 85 in Gadsden right now, 87 in Talladega, 93 in Tuscaloosa. Hamilton, you're at 90 with a heat index of 96. Feels like 101 now in Aliceville. And our storm track futurecast through the night tonight, even up until about 10 o'clock. I still see the potential for a few scattered storms. Tomorrow morning, we'll have a dying boundary move in. And then tomorrow, we'll see more showers and thunderstorms by lunch. Notice from Gadsden back into Birmingham, anywhere from Tuscaloosa, north and westward, then Hamilton, Coleman, Birmingham, all getting storms, even Anniston as well as Gadsden later into the day. And that chance of rain and storms will carry into tomorrow night as well, and that will even carry into Friday. But then the rain chances start to taper this weekend, and then we start to heat back up, dry out. Still, it's going to be muggy. Another shot at a few scattered storms into next week. And I'll have more on updates on social media, Twitter, Facebook, as well as